Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, finding the contact you'd like to block and then tap on it. I'll choose maybe this one. Then let's tap on this three dots icon in the right lower corner and tap on block contact. Here we've got the information, which means that this number has been blocked and we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. We can unblock it the same way, right here, remove from blacklist, but let's leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now we have to go back to the contacts. We can be on the phone, it does not really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter blocked. Here we can manage the call block rules and message block rules, it's totally up to you, but I wanted to focus on the settings icon, so let's tap on it, and here we've got our block list. So let's enter. This is the number we blocked from our contact, so as you can see the previous option works. We can tap on this plus icon and add the additional number manually. We can block prefix, add from contacts, call logs or messages. So let me just tap on it, we can enter it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it has been blocked successfully. If you'd like to remove the number from the block list, just tap on it and hold it, and now mark those which you'd like to remove and tap on remove. Tap on remove and the block list is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.